Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how I inspect our toilet, guys, to make sure that it's clean. Even though I use brush, but we cannot really assure that underneath this rim is clean. So I will show you. So we clean like that to make sure that outside, even though here we try to clean, right, in the underneath on this rim, but sometimes the it's not 100% clean. There's always some residue, and I don't know, some spots that still stays in there. See, that looks pretty clean. I mean, white, and it's fine. I have to brush underneath. And sometimes you cannot really tell on the brush that it's still clean underneath. So what I always do, I take out some wipes. Yeah, any wipes will do. And then fold the wipes nicely, like that. I just fold like that, and then I go underneath and make sure that there is no residue. Okay, there's no dirt, there's no, I don't know, some brown spots. See, I do like that. And when it's clean, it's clean. Yeah, there's no spot, nothing. Yeah, so that's how I clean the toilet. See that? Yes. Thank you, and see you next time.